ice, I'ma hit it in the
I saw you in my dreams, floating in the blue. There's nothing else to do but fall in love with you. I saw you in my head to find out what was said. Can't find out what to do but fall in love with
Welcome to the Laser Straight system. Today's product will be Laser Straight shampoo. Here are the key ingredients. This product will help smooth the cuticle, gives weightless shine, and conditions and moisturizes the hair. Use desired amount depending on length and density of hair, and massage with your fingertips from roots to ends. Make sure to lather well, then rinse thoroughly. Continue with Laser Straight conditioner. Here are the key ingredients. Use desired amount depending on length and density of hair. Then work the product from the mids up into the roots. Use comb to distribute evenly. Rinse thoroughly. Finally, blow dry to your desired style. Visit unitehair.com to see the entire Laser Straight system.
Discover the CHI Home Stylist Kit. Featuring CHI's unique ceramic and cationic hydration formula. Infra shampoo, treatment, keratin mist, and silk infusion. Transform your hair with CHI's professional-grade products.